It is now 4 p.m. on May 19th, Beijing time. Yesterday's video suggested that EUR/USD go long at 1.0785 to 1.0720, put a stop loss at 1.0710. And the lowest price after sending out is 1.0761. Some long orders have reached the entry point. After entering the market, the highest price was 1.0794, with only a small profit of 9 to 33 points. Because the profit is not much and it is still being held. Then there's gold. Yesterday's video suggested to go long at 1960 to 1949 with stop loss at 1947, and the lowest price after issuance was 1952. Some long orders reached the entry point and the highest price rose to 1968.6 after entering the market. Those who pay attention to the video to operate have a maximum profit margin of 88 to 168 points to capture. 老戴 prompt to sell when the price of gold rose to 1965.5 this morning, making a small profit of $550 to $1,350 per lot. In addition to the intraday signals trading, Lao Dai's master account has been using the EA program to cooperate with the quantitative trading of EUR/USD and GBP/USD. Superimposing the intraday signals and the monthly profit is stable at 8% to 14%. Those who are used to trading by themselves can join the traders group to obtain daily operation signals with precise points every day. Those who want to stable income can choose to join the account management business and bind our master account to carry out copy trading. No limit to the platforms or brokers. The reservation password of the main account will be provided throughout the cooperation, and the effect of the account transaction can be seen within 2 weeks. If interested, you can add the contact information at the top of the screen. How to operate today? Let's look at EUR/USD first. Because still hold the long positions in EUR/USD that entered the market yesterday, we will not make new points today, and we will make a reminder when there is good opportunity to close the position. Yesterday's gold long orders have left the market with a small profit. But in recent days, the US debt negotiations are expected to reach an agreement. So it is necessary to pay attention to the risk of capital changes caused by the news. Although the Fed's current rate hike cycle has ended, the inflation rate of 4.9% is still far higher than the target of 2%. This is why the Fed does not want to change its intention to cut interest rates in the near future, and its speeches is still hawkish. Last night, the number of US jobless claims fell, which means that the job market is resilient, and it still brings short-term pressure on gold. The price of gold at 1975 was the rising and falling point when the unemployment benefits data was released last night. There's some resistance here, but at 8:45 and 11 o'clock tonight, Fed officials including Powell and others came out to speak. It is recommended to wait for a few dollars more and then sell short above 1981. It is recommended to short sell gold during 1981 to 1992 and set the stop loss at 1994. Due to the speeches of Fed officials tonight and the further results of the US debt negotiations over the weekend, conservative friends should not open new positions today and only operate yesterday's EUR/USD. Aggressive ones, gold also needs light positions to participate, and at the same time, set a stop-loss bottom line of 75 points for currency pairs and 150 points for gold. In addition to Europe and gold, 2 to 3 products will be selected from the 5 targets of GBP, AUD, GPY, silver, and crude oil, including their supports, resistance, and directions will be given for reference. The upper part is yesterday's signals review chart, and the lower part is today's point of view sharing. But it is only recommended for traders who have a certain short-term trading basis. The target point is not placed on the video. Lao Dai will also watch the market trend and notify more accurate selling tips in the group. Scan the QR code on the top of the screen for cooperation consultation and contact me. Finally, I will give you a famous quote from George Soros.